Oh, I'm gonna. Okay, so I added my salted pork, my bacon to my deviled eggs. Y'all, I was talking and wasn't even recording. So this is what we will be having for one of our side dishes tomorrow. Deviled eggs. Okay, so now I'm finna make my deviled eggs. The reason why you call it deviled eggs is because you're supposed to put hot sauce or cayenne pepper in it. I'm putting in a dab of hot sauce, y'all. Okay? About 2 teaspoons. Go ahead and add in my mustard. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot. And that's about a tablespoon. I'm going to add in some mayo. And I'm just going to use about a tablespoon and a half. I will list exact measurements for the recipe that I'm using in the description box. Add in some relish, sweet salad cubes. Okay, that's all you need. I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of salt. You don't want it over salty. Some black pepper you're gonna add in. Just celery. Now, if you don't want the vegetables in there, you don't have to add it in there. A little onion. And a little sugar. Just a little bit of sugar. You said I wouldn't eat the sugar. I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to mash this together and mix everything together. It's real simple, real easy to make deviled eggs. Don't take no time at all. So I have me a tablespoon measure, and that's what I'm gonna use to put my filling in my inside of my deviled egg. I'm using my tablespoon measure. See how easy that was? And I don't have to use a piping bag or nothing. Or even get my Ziploc bag and cut it open. Voila! Beautiful egg. This is my tray that I'm using for my deviled eggs. I got this tray, y'all, from the Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree?
Yep, and it has a lid on it. So I'm gonna finish putting my filling inside my deviled eggs and fill this up. My deviled eggs, I am going to put some bacon on top, y'all. But yeah, I made some deviled eggs. So I'm done with this. And then I gotta make an apple cobbler. This is how it looks with the lid on it. And I got this at the Dollar Tree. So, yeah. You can just lift the lid up like that. And it can act as your serving tray.